Need your ID. Because you were just involved in a theft at Walmart.
I was not in a Walmart, so...
Okay, they gave me this exact plate.
How do you know it was me?
They gave me the exact vehicle and plate description.
How does that have to do with anything? I didn't see you anywhere.
Okay.
I just came out here to let my dog out.
I need your ID.
I don't have an ID.
What's your driver's license?
I don't have a driver's license or an ID. I don't need to give you anything. I did nothing wrong.
You did.
I didn't.
You're being stopped.
I'm not being stopped. I'm sitting at a property.
Okay, you're not free to leave. Let me make that really clear to you right now.
Because you thought I was stealing from Walmart?
They called out your exact plate. Okay,
cool, I have
show
a
me
receipt.
So you were just there. You first told me.
I wasn't just there. No, I was there a little while ago.
Okay,
and
so
I have a receipt for
how long ago were you there?
I don't know, 20, 30 minutes ago.
Let me see the receipt then, please. Do you have any identification on you?
No, hold on.
Hi. It would be this female, and she just comes up, has tater tots or something like that, places the underwear down there, scans the wax, and then scans those. Goes to pay, bags that, puts those into the bag, and takes them.
Okay. She sells them with her?
Yep. We have caught her in the past, and she has trespassed.
Well, what's her name?
Alyssa.
Okay.
And the last time we caught her...
Are y'all with the female?
She's wearing a white sweatshirt with superheroes on it and black and white pants.
We're looking for 2 packages of underwear, it looks like.
She's not being exactly cooperative at this point.
All right, I'm going to go meet with him, and I'll be back, and I'll get you the number and all that.
Perfect.
Do you have the items that they're asking for?
I have the items that I bought. I bought spray and some fries. That's it.
So, if we were to search the vehicle...
You're not allowed to search my vehicle, excuse me.
So, if we were going to search the vehicle, would there be the underwear that they're talking about missing?
No, you're not. There's no underwear in here. There's a bunch of shit in here, but no underwear.
Okay.
I don't have to be in the store to give them a receipt. I shop on my phone. All I do is scan it. And then when I go to checkout, it scans all my stuff.
Possibly born in 1980?
Were you born in 1980?
No.
I'm not sure. We're going to try to confirm here in a moment.
No, I said.
Do you have anything with your name on it and your date
I
of birth?
just told you my name.
So I can
I
identify
was
you
not
that
born
way?
in 89. I was born in my birthday's. Next time if you ask for my information, make sure you ask for my date of birth. And not just my name. Can you shut my door, please, so I can put the window down?
Not at this point. Go. Okay. Step out of the vehicle.
No, my dogs are in here.
Are your dogs
He's my
friendly?
service dog.
Okay.
You cannot take me anywhere without him.
I'm going to take you.
You can't take me anywhere
Step out
without
of the
him. Stop!
Step out of the
Seriously!
vehicle. Ma'am?
Stop! You
can
cannot
either-
take me without my service
You
dog.
can either step out on your own accord.
You're not listening to me?
or either, you can
You're
either
under arrest.
You're under
You can't
arrest.
take me without my service dog. Stop! Stop! Let go of me! You don't fight! Stop! God damn it! Stop!
Hey! Hey!
Stop!
We're okay.
Stop resisting!
Stop! Stop!
Relax.
Let go of me so I can get him calmed down! It's gonna bite you! Let him go!
Okay, put your hands
Let it go!
Stop resisting! Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
For what? Can you just help? Can I help you put him in there?
I want to put him in there, but you didn't make this easy.
I don't know how you told me to go back. You have to go with me.
Okay.
You need an ambulance?
Don't. I do give a shit. What am I being
they wanna
arrested
help
for?
you.
Because you weren't being cooperative, and they said you stole some stuff from Walmart.
I didn't steal anything.
Well, the other officer that's up there, watching video, will just take you into custody.
Okay, for what?
Now roll over on your side.
You okay? You sure you don't need
I
medical?
just need to stand up.
Okay.
Hi.
Where are my dogs?
There's a dog and a cat over here.
I need my dog to come with me. That's my problem.
She was squirreling and kicking.
I'm squirreling because I'm panicking. What do you mean?
Okay.
Did you pick
So
up
we're
my
looking at
stuff?
resisting then?
There's no reason for you to search in there. I don't give you any consent. I need. Listen to me, please.
Where's
They
your
have
cell
to
phone?
come with me. You're
not
not
gonna come with you.
understanding. That is my service dog.
But they don't go to jail.
You can't do that. I cannot go without him.
Well, they don't allow dogs in jail.
That's too bad. He goes everywhere with me. You're seriously gonna
That's not how it works.
panic.
That's not how it works. I'm sorry. Yeah, I got the stolen property. You can put them back in there.
I don't want you guys to take them.
Okay, we're not going to take them. We're going to get a hold of your boyfriend, like I said. Okay, see, we're trying to help you, and you're not making it easy.
You weren't helping me just for my name, not my date of birth, not anything like that. Not helping.
Do you have a phone number for your boyfriend?
Can I just give you the address? He's right upstairs.
What apartment? What's his name?
Andrew.
Do you know his phone number just so we can call him and get him down here?
He's not probably going to answer. You'll have to go knock on the door. He's sleeping.
Yours or mine?
Did you get him in there?
Finally. Yeah.
Perfect.
Only took like a bunch of tries.
The boyfriend's in Andrew. You just want to let him know? Okay, hop in there. Did you get kicked? I know she was trying to kick.
Yeah.
What do you expect from me? Dragging me out? Sorry, you put me in panic.
We would have liked you just got out of the car when we asked you, then that would
You
have
didn't
had
ask
to
me to
happen.
get out.
We did several times. There you go. Okay, can you scoot back?
I am scoop back.
All right. Well,
You okay?
Yeah, I'm alright. It's just this little scrape.
Soft tissue injury, burning and resisting.
sounds like battery law enforcement.
All right.
Really doesn't want us to search that car.
I already found the stolen stuff.
Does your girlfriend drive like a dark blue minivan?
She was using mine, yeah, why?
Okay. She just got arrested for a retail theft for something she did at Walmart. The dogs are in the vehicle downstairs though.
Oh, they're okay.
Okay, so I got the big one in the back in the
Okay.
vehicle down there. I just
Okay.
wanted to let you know. At this point, it was kind of a mess. She wasn't exactly agreeable with, everything. So, do you know if she's using something?
No, why?
'Cause she seems not,
No, I didn't know nothing. I don't know nothing. So.
Okay. I just wanted to let you know so you could come get him in a little bit, okay? Are you also the registered owner, or is it
Yes,
solely under her? Okay.
It's me.
Okay.
I also need I think she has my wallet too. I'm just going down and grabbing the keys in my wallet.
Okay.
144 Marshall.
Hi.
Hello.
You Andrew?
Yes, I am.
Sorry, I know you probably talked to him a bunch, but man, she went buck wild there. What's up with that?
I have no clue, man.
Okay, she doing kind of recreational drugs?
No.
Okay, she ever done like methamphetamine or anything?
She has, but she's been clean for years.
So he really doesn't want us searching that car.
Okay. I got nothing in there.
Okay, would you consent to a search of that vehicle?
I mean, there's no reason to. Honestly, it's my vehicle, so I have nothing in there myself, so there's no consent. I'm not going to consent. If you have no
So
reason
just-
to, it's my vehicle, so
So just so you're aware, because of the circumstances,
I understand.
I have a canine coming from out of the area, which does give us the authority. I'll allow you to get the dogs out of the vehicle, and I recognize it's your vehicle.
Yes.
But what I'm telling you is you can't take anything besides the dogs out of there right now.
Okay.
It's kind of frozen right now.
Okay.
Okay?
If anything does get found in there, now does it go on me or her? Because she was driving the vehicle.
Well, I think we would have additional questions. I mean,
Okay,
if
because I have-
it's your vehicle, I'm not saying that
Yeah.
you would be completely absolved of anything, but certainly that would be
Yeah.
probably a discussion between the two of you.
Okay, yeah, because I don't do any drugs at all. And the closest I've ever got is marijuana, so.
So does she smoke marijuana?
She does CBD.
But that's it?
Yeah, that's it. She's been clean 4 or
Any-
5 years.
Any reason to believe she'd be involved in any other kind of criminal activity, stealing stuff, or
No.
I mean, obviously
No.
she stole some stuff from Walmart.
Yeah,
but
which I
besides that-
don't even know why. She had my wallet, so I had
Okay,
my...
so she had your wallet, didn't steal your wallet.
No.
Okay, you can remove the dogs from the car, and nothing else.
Yep, I
And
understand
if you
that.
do, then you're going to be arrested. Do
Okay.
you understand that?
Yes,
I know
yes.
you don't want that. I don't want that.
Okay.
And I can't have you like reaching in there messing with stuff or whatever, okay? So I'll run the keys up to you when we're all done. Might be a little bit, okay?
Okay.
In the driver's seat. Smells like weed. Weed THC? Or, sorry.
Okay. Just so you know, there's like a little weed vape or whatever in
Oh,
there.
I didn't even
So-
know. That's hers. That ain't mine. I don't do that shit.
Doesn't really look good when she's
Yeah.
committing crimes and having drugs and
didn't-
your badge is sitting in there.
Yeah,
right? No,
I
I'm
didn't
just-
realize. I mean,
Nope.
can you tell me what she stole at Walmart? I mean, was it something like?
I think I heard that she stole a couple packs of underwear.
Are you
Like she paid for some stuff, but then stole some other stuff. But don't quote me on that. That's just kind of what I heard.
That's just. That is actually.
You know, the bigger deal is once we asked her to get out of the car and told her she was under arrest, she said no, and then she was fighting with us. She was kicking, and one of the officers got a cut on his hand from wrestling around with her. So hopefully she calms down on the way down to jail. So I'm sure she'll call you soon, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you.
All right, Alyssa, so you're in the back of a police car, obviously, so you're in custody under arrest. I'm going to read you your rights real quick, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You understand all these rights? Mm-hmm. All right. You're being sent down to the Wood County Jail. It's going to be for battery to law enforcement and resisting. So that's why you're going to jail tonight. I'm requesting charges to the Marathon County for, that's going to be where the retail theft is, because it sounds like you've been caught up in Walmart not that long ago stealing stuff. And at that time, you're also trespassed, which is...
not trespassing. Nobody told me I was not able to be there.
Okay, well...
We can take that to court. I'll fight it, because I was never told I wasn't supposed to be there, nor did anybody identify who I was or what I was.
Okay, well, when they tell me somebody's officially trespassed, they usually have a signed
document.
document.
I'm not allowed to be trespassing. I've never had anybody say that to me.
Sure, so you're going to get a ticket for that one. There'll be a court date on that, and you can certainly go to court and argue that one, all right? So the battery law enforcement is going to be a felony. Any questions on that? All right.
Alyssa was charged with battery and resisting an officer. Court records indicate that as a part of a plea agreement, her sentence was withheld, and she is currently serving a 1 year of probation.